is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88, and I'm here to share in this video, ready, set, start your tax business. Right now we have 4 months left in this year, if you count all of September, all of October, all of November, and all of December, to make it happen for yourself. So for the serious entrepreneur who's just been putting it off for whatever reason, this is the time now to take action. And the reason it's time now to take action because you know you've been putting it off for so long. And now that you ran across someone who can help you to start your own tax preparation business and fast track your success to get you where you want to go, is the most definite reason why you want to take action right now. Position yourself right now so when the upcoming tax season comes, you're ready to make more money than you ever did working for any other company that you ever worked for, because number one, you have your own business. Every dime that comes through will come straight to your pockets and not you being the middleman working for another company where you're making an hourly wage or a salary based on your position inside the company. And so it's time now to take action. It's time now to not hold on to excuses and situations that's been blocking you from getting started. Don't let the pandemic/virus situation be another excuse on why you haven't taken action on starting your own business. So right now, if this sounds like you, then you need to watch the video, contact me through my contact information. Let's connect with one another and let me educate you and validate my skills and knowledge that I possess with my mentorship program that's going to allow you to close the deal and take action today. So I've been in the industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. And so as a result of that, I'm qualified to come online with my mentorship program and help other people start their own tax preparation business, because that's what I've been doing for so long. So if I can help myself start my own tax preparation business, and I utilize the knowledge, the training, the skills, the experience, the insight, and all the things that I've discovered on my journey, then I simply turn around and create a mentorship program to help someone else do the same. And so that's what I've done. And so you're going to get all of me and some through my mentorship program that's designed to fast track your success, because you work with somebody who's skilled, knowledge, and has real world experience when it comes to helping you start your own tax preparation business. Real world experience on the things you're going to experience as a result of having your own tax preparation business, and me sharing all the do's and don'ts, and being my own live case study for you on what to do and what not to do inside this industry to help you be successful and not make the mistakes I made being in this industry. So when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, I'm going to talk about some things that's important to making that happen first, because those are the steps that I carry my actual clients through to help them get their tax preparation business started. I have 6 clients altogether. I have 4 active ones. One just got her EFIN application completed, is active and valid. Now she's qualified to go out and purchase professional software and work with third-party banks that's going to collect her money on her behalf from the client that she's going to do business with in 2020 tax season, which starts in January of 2021. So she's excited about that. I got 2 more other ladies, application pending, waiting to be completed and successfully approved, so they can also become legit tax services, so they can go out and purchase professional software and work with third-party banks, which I guide them through all that. And so when it comes to my mentorship program, it's designed to work with people who want to start their own tax preparation business. It don't matter if you got skills or not. It don't make a difference, because I have a couple of young ladies who have no prior real experience or knowledge in the industry, but they know in their heart they want their own tax preparation business, so I'm here to help them make that happen. And so that's what I do. So if you're looking to start your own tax preparation business, and don't turn around and tell me you got some skills and some knowledge and some clientele under your belt already, and you've been working for a company for 3, 4, 5, 7 years already, then you're ahead of the game if you fall into that category, and then you plug in and work with me on top of that. Then I'm going to help you build that clientele and take it to a whole nother level. I'm going to help you take your business to a whole nother level that you can't do on your own, because you know in your heart of hearts that you don't have the knowledge or the skills or the insight or the experience that make that happen for yourself, because if you did, you'd have already started your own tax preparation business a long time ago. So get honest with yourself, get real with yourself, and let's make it happen in 2020. You know what I'm saying? No more excuses. And then the first thing you want to do is tell yourself, look in the mirror and say, self, It's time right now to take action. I procrastinated long enough. I used enough excuses, and I'm going to make this my way of life. I'm going to take action. I'm going to connect with a coach or mentor who has a program already set up for me to invest in that's going to allow me to set up my own tax service, and I'm going to be successful with it because I'm with someone who already has proven to me, based on the video content he's already shared, based on the knowledge he's already talked about with me over the phone and through a live Zoom consultation, that he knows his stuff. And he's able to help me to get started and be successful in my own tax preparation business. And so from there, you're going to make this a new way of life for you. You're going to be an entrepreneur / business owner. You're going to have a legit tax service set up based on what part of the U.S. you live in, whatever state you live in. You're going to be a bona fide legit tax service, and you're going to acquire the tax preparation skills and knowledge and know-how to operate a tax preparation service from the front end to the back end. And you're going to be able to take your business to a whole nother level through my leadership and guidance to help you do that. And it's all about constantly investing in you with knowledge, with training, to get better, to get better, and to get better. So as we get started with the meat of this program, with the meat of this video, I'm going to walk you through the first phase of what I walk all my clients through, and some of the things I ask my clients right away, just to make sure we can get them started right away. And one of the things that's happening now, due to identity theft being what it is, IRS.gov has shut down their website to the point where now, in order to put in the e-file application to be considered a tax service, you must now create a secure account. And the big issue with the secure account situation is things that you must have on a financial list to be able to validate your identity through the IRS website. And so if you got a credit card, auto loan, mortgage, line of credit, or student loan, one of those things off the financial list, then that will help you to be able to create a secure account. Once you create a secure account, we go to the next step. And while we're trying to, and at the same time, we'll talk about your business setup as far as incorporating versus waiting versus doing it later versus what it's going to cost to incorporate versus what it's going to cost to just set you up for free through the IRS.gov website, where you get your EIN number and do a business name put together, print that paperwork out, boom, that's what you're going to use as part of the paperwork you need to do business with the software companies and with the banks. Your PITA number, so if you're already in the industry working with a company, you already got a PITA, so that welcome letter that you get every year for renewing your account, you want to save that to your computer. You want to have your IRS letter saved to your computer. And so those some of the documentation you're going to need, along with the EFA summary. So those three documents, PITA, welcome letter, e-file summary, and the IRS EIN doing business employee identification number letter, all saved to your computer, because those are the things we're going to use to do business with the software company and with the banks. And so if you've already got those things saved to your computer, then we're good to go. You won't have to go fumbling the bum and looking for them when it's time to go do business. So that's the hurdle that we have to get past first. So if you don't have anything off the list, what I'm trying to find out this week from the IRS is, do they have an alternative method for people who don't have anything on the financial list in order to create a secure account? Because if they don't have anything in place at this time, then we're going to have to try some other strategies that's going to allow you to eventually create a secure account, which means you're going to have to be willing to go apply for a credit card or a secure card or something that's going to allow us to be able to help you create that secure account, so we can go to the next phase, which is the e-file provider's application, which is one of the most important aspects of setting up your own tax service. Because without that e-file application, then you're not considered a tax service. So we must be able to create the secure account, put the e-file provider's application in. You got to do fingerprints, because they do a background check on you, because we're talking about being a legit tax service. So legit tax businesses got to go through legit processes. So that's the process IRS going to go send you through. So I have a number that you call where they're going to send you 2 fingerprint cards. You'll get fingerprinted. And so the challenge with COVID, based on where you live at, is getting fingerprinted. I'm in Chicago. I'm in a big city. That's not really an issue in a big city. But in smaller places, getting fingerprinted and depending on how COVID is affecting that demographic may hamper you being able to get fingerprinted. And that will be an issue. So if you can find out based on where you live at, the fingerprint situation for you. And if there's anybody out there that's doing fingerprints at this time, you definitely want to be able to get the fingerprint cards, get with the fingerprint guy, get them fingerprints done, get the e-file application in. Because the e-file application, once we put the e-file application in, it's a tracking number that's created on the application that we put on the fingerprint cards. So when you mail them off to the IRS, they know who the fingerprint cards belong to, because the tracking number is connected to the e-file application that they're going to be processing on your behalf. And so that's how that works. And the piecing, like I said, if you're already in the industry, you already got a piecing. And so the business setup is simple. Along with the e-file application, we already got the piecing, secure account. Once we get through those 4 phases, you halfway there. And if you already got experience and knowledge in the tax preparation industry, all we can do now is find out where you're at with that and build on that to help you take your skills, your knowledge to a whole other level, so you can generate more money and more income. Because the more you know, the more you can do, the more you can make. And so that's what I bring to the table when it comes to my mentorship program, is that I help people who want to start their own tax preparation business get started. Because I'm talking about people who already done research. I'm talking about people who already invested in other people's so-called programs when they come to start their own business, who didn't, who the people they invested in and tried to work with didn't follow through on what they said it's okay to do. So a lot of people who find me who've already taken action on some level, who already got started on some level, who've already invested some type of money on some level with somebody to start their own tax preparation business, but for some reason it just didn't work out. And so if that's part of your story, you don't have to look any further. And if you haven't experienced that yet, stop now, connect with me. Let's see if we can be a good fit, work with one another, and go forward and get started right now this week to help you start your own tax preparation business. The next phase is being confident and knowledgeable with your tax preparation skills. That's going to allow you to go out there and market yourself in such a strategic way that's going to allow you to get more clients. So if you already got clients, you want to get more clients. If you want to make more money without doing more work, then you want to be more knowledgeable in a certain area. You might want to consider specializing in a specific niche or category or industry, you know what I'm saying, to help you get premium money for the knowledge and skills that you offer. So when it comes to the price points we charge based on our skills and our knowledge, not on the results of the client. So if a client get a refund or not, that's not our business. Our prices is based on our skills and our knowledge and our experience and what we can do and what we can't do. So when a client asks you what you charge and why come you charge that much, you let them know I charge based on my skills and my knowledge. And so the more complex the tax return is, the more money I can charge. And that's how that works. So don't lowball yourself when it comes to your pricing, and I help you with pricing. Another thing is building your clientele and growing your business. So if you have clientele or not, I'm going to be able to help you get clientele, build clientele, and help you with some basic marketing strategies that you got to be willing to implement that's going to allow you to go out and get more clients, build on top of that, which is going to allow you to make more money in the process. And then the goal is to start off as a self-employed individual and grow your business to the point where now you got trusted management supervisors, lead personnel to run the business for you. That way, if you never show up again, your business is still making money. That's the end game. That's where you want to get to. You want to get to the point where you got an actual business running itself, set up in a strategic way with people that you vetted, because you work with them, you train them, you come to trust them, and now they leaders inside your business helping you run your own business, because now you put the time and the work in to make that happen and to get it to that point. It took me 7 years from when I got started to be able to position myself to have trusted management, supervisors, lead personnel, receptionists, and all those things needed, where I no longer have to open up the doors anymore. I no longer had to show up on when I wanted to anymore. I could show up when I got ready, and I was able to take vacations and come and go and all those different things once I got my business set up to that level. So that's where you want to get to eventually, because you don't want to be a self-employed one-man show all your life. That's too much wear and tear on the body. So the big end game goal is to position yourself where you building a business that's going to operate and run without you. And that's where you want to get to in your end game. So if you're ready to take action, you're sick and tired of being sick and tired of procrastinating and using all these excuses, inside the description area, I'm going to leave my contact information where you can call me directly and we can get on a Zoom call so we can get a feel for one another. You get to see me, I get to see you, ask you a series of questions to see where you're at. You get to talk to me, see where I'm at, and we can see if we'll be a good fit to work for one another. And if we decide we are, we can go forward with a game plan that's going to allow you to get started right now this week and get you on your way to a successful tax preparation business for the 2020 tax season, which starts in January of 2021. So that's what I bring to the marketplace. That's what I bring to the table. That's what I'm able to help you get done. If you're ready, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so every time I upload a video or go live, you'll be notified. You get to follow me on my journey as I continue to help people start their own tax preparation business and help fast track their success from scratch. And so if you one of those people who have no skills, no knowledge, but they want their own tax preparation business, I got you. If you're one of those people who got 5, 6, 7 years worth of experience working in the industry and they're ready to start their own tax preparation business, I got you. So no matter where you come in at, when it comes to work with me, I got you faded, I got you covered, I got your best interest at heart, and I know what I know, and I'll be able to show you that and prove to you that by simply you watching these videos and then getting on the phone with me where I can validate what you've already watched when it comes to my videos, when it comes to my knowledge and my skills on helping you start your own tax preparation business and what I bring to the table with my mentorship program. This is my high-end mentorship program, which is not cheap. I do have a payment plan, but the investment in my mentorship program will definitely pay off for the person that's serious about starting their own tax preparation business, and you'll triple double your investment with ease, especially if you already got knowledge and skills and clientele inside the industry, and now you connect with me to level up and take it to a whole nother level. You know what I'm charging, you're gonna make that back and some, and you go on to the bank smiling. You know what I'm saying? So if you dedicated, you focused, you determined, and you're ready to take action, and you tired of the excuses and procrastinating, and you're ready to make it happen for yourself. You want 2021 year to be an awesome year for you, and 2020 tax season, which starts in 2021, be an awesome tax season for you. This is the time to take action. This is the time to make it happen for yourself. This is the time to reach out to me now. Let's talk. Let's connect. Let's make it happen. Ready, set. Let's start your tax business. And I'll see you in my next video.